for joining. We are making a power green juice today. So let me go ahead and get started and show you the ingredients that we're using. So I have already pre-chopped some cucumbers. You want to chop them up about this size, not too thin, not too thick. We're going to use some ginger. I've already pre-chopped a few pieces of ginger here. And we're going to use some spinach. And we're going to use some kale. We're going to use one apple, so we'll go ahead and start chopping our apple up. Since we have our cucumbers already chopped up. So since we have our ingredients chopped up, we're going to go ahead and add our cucumbers in. We're going to use a Ninja blender today. So we'll go ahead and pop this off, add our cucumbers in. Go ahead and drop our apples in. Then we are going to go ahead and add our kale in. So we'll just take a nice little handful of kale. Then we're going to top it off with the spinach. This is a very quick recipe for a super green juicer, so we'll go ahead and add our spinach in. Once we have our cucumbers, our apples, our ginger, our kale, and our spinach, we are going to go ahead and top it off with some ginger. We're going to go ahead and add some flaxseed. That's about 2 tablespoons, and then we are going to use 1 full can of coconut juice. Also, with that coconut juice, we're going to add some spring water. So we are going to use, we'll add half of the spring water in. Blend it, and then we'll add a little bit more. Okay, and let's get that top popped on here, and let's get this blended. Blend on high for a minute or two. got this broken down, majority of all of it is looking very smooth. We're going to add a half a glass of spring water. And we're going to let this blend for just another minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this off of here, and we are just going to go ahead and load these two juice jars. Looks amazing. Okay, there's one jar, and we'll go ahead and fill the second jar up. Guys, we have made a very powerful green juice, less than 10 minutes. Doesn't take much to make. So I thank you guys for tuning in today. These are the juices that we have made. I am Miss Shem from Shimmer Elegance, where we provide women's wigs, hair accessories, and beauty products. Our website is shimmerelegance.com. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and share.